What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test more very unique gadgets that's also pretty new. This is Snap Clips, so cord organizer, and it's like one of those bracelets except so it doesn't slide open, it locks in. And the idea of it is to put together, organize the cord and so on. So this is a bigger one, this is a smaller one. I have a smaller cord right here. Let's start out with this really thick extension cord. Let's say we have a lot of it and kind of crunch it up to see what happens. So this is the front and the back, lock it in and boom, kind of bites into each other and it's organized it, hold together, and it's super easy to just lift it, bring it with me, the whole section, or just open it up, boom. I love it. And same thing with the bigger ones. I could still use it on the smaller ones. It's just in case I do have much longer cords, I could do it for something else. But yeah, it sits in there tight. It's not going to undo itself. It holding it pretty well. I love it. This is really cool clips with this ziplock type of idea right here towards bite into each other. So it keeps it together and it like locks in together. Boom, just like one of those bracelet thing. It's like super easy to lock it around. Very cool. Silicone type of material. So what else we have? Let's see, put this away. This one I have never seen anything like that. Every time I use one of these things, I'll have to have a pin. Let's open this locking mechanism. Let's see if my knife is strong enough to cut through it. Wow, I might almost have to bring some kind of pliers to cut this too. My goodness. Okay, what were they thinking? Okay, anti-theft on the next level to where I cannot even open it. That's crazy. Okay, let's pull this out slowly and figure this out, how to open that. The idea is probably scrape this off and then, no, it has a big clip in there. So yeah, I almost have to have snippets. I'm not used to that. Wow. They really care about the anti-theft. That is crazy. Okay. I don't know what to do here. There you go. That's why we have to have knives. Whew. Okay, cool. Probably wire snippers will be worked a lot better than a knife. Probably ruining the knife over here. But anyway, so what's so cool about this is master lock pin for the trailer, and I don't need another clip so that way it doesn't fall out. It is a built-in clip. Let's see, lift it up and it will lock in here. And what you have right here another, I don't know what this is the instruction, not really. So another layer cover, that's cool. I think this is just a cover, but yeah, it will go in a trailer hitch, thicker trailer hitches, whatever. Lift it up, lock it up. That is so cool. So now I don't need additional like pin that I always lose. So boom, and now it's not going to come out. This is so cool. Pull it up, put it to the hitch all the way and lock it too, and it's not going to come out at all. As much as I want to pull, I have to put it to the side and then take it out. That is next level. One of these pins that doesn't need a secondary pin for the pin. So cool. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see what else we have. This is new Jetboil camping spoons. I really like Jetboil. There it is. Let's see. So it looks like magnetic. Yeah, they kind of clip together. Not magnetic, but they clip together. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, not magnetic for sure. So we have right here plastic knife, nice, stylish, and then a fork and a really nice spoon with like silicone material around it, so that way I can skip through like a scrape through yogurt and such. And also I'm pretty sure it comes out this way. Oh nice, there's a line of lock. That's why I should have pushed it on. So if I want to push it, so for regular eating, a regular spoon, for deeper, like maybe like camping survival food out of the bag, and for cooking and so on, I could store it far away. That's kind of nice. Or like a big bags, like a big bag camping food, like freeze dry, that'd be really nice. And same thing, now that I know how it works, there's a button, boom, boom, and out all the way. Easy to clean, easy to adjust, and this side here, they all clip together for easy like travel. I love it, so cool. The spoon is really nice with silicone. Wow, that's definitely new. Wearable speaker, Go SPKR, or wearable speaker. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. This is getting really popular, this gadget side here. Okay, there's a little tape. Let's open that. Okay, let's see what it's all about. Little box. Thank you. Ooh, that looks way better than the picture. I love it. Charger and instruction. Wow, that is so cool. Is it magnetic? Oh, no way. So this can go behind the fabric, and in this case I'll use plastic bag, so it will go into the fabric so we can see, and it will stay behind the fabric like that. For example, I'm gonna put it into my short and lock it in here, and I have wearable speaker anywhere I want to. Super cool. And of course there's a nice clip, neodymium magnet. I like it, so beautiful. I can put on a clip anywhere, like on a short, whatever, on a pocket, belt, anywhere. And it's so small, so cute. There's pairing. That's a maximum. It doesn't tell us the down, only maximum. But it is loud, and it automatically goes into pairing, and it's power off, power on. Very simple. I like it that there's only 3 buttons. On and off, pairing automatically. Once it's paired, it's going to go into plus and minus sound. That's all we need. And there's a sound, charging. Beautiful. I love that. Stone clip, nice magnet, and also I can just connect the magnet into anywhere, with or without clip, like this. But I probably will have it both, so I can just connect it to some kind of metallic material and have it close by without wearing it as well. Very good packaging too. Wow, that looks so cool. Okay, what else we have here? All light, all knife, multifunctional pry bar. Also they have O'Toole, parent company. Let's go. I really love the packaging they got. Okay, let's see. Comes with lanyard, rope, paracord. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Beautiful titanium pry bar with a clip, a removable clip. Ooh, very tight clip. So it says Otacao 2 Mini, sharp enough to cut through boxes and tape. For example, this side here, really thick plastic. Then if I need to, cut it through, I could puncture through and open it really easily. So just like that. I don't know if I could do it without something nice and sharp. So that is nice. And it's really thin bottle opener, and I love this button. Beautiful. What colors is that? And a nail puller of some sort. Very good little pry bar. Multifunctional. And the last gadget right here, this is a really nice brand. I reviewed it many times. They have came out with a whole bunch more gadgets. So let's adjust it. Kind of very successful run that they had in that company. So Big Joy Pro holster, and they do a whole bunch of different holsters for the tools and stuff. There's a new one right here. Work light and fast. So this one is one of those what's called drop pouch for like nails, screws, bolts, little tools, could be multiple tools. Carabiner clip right here, another carabiner clip could be in here, could be put like a little screwdriver. There's like, looks like a drainage hole, and a whole bunch of space for what is it called, like drop bag for anything in there. It could be even for going gathering berries and so on. It's a drop pouch to where you wanna go drop stuff, then you zip it down, climb down, whatever, walk down, so that way if we bend over, all the bolts are not going to spill out or whatever we have dropped in there, all the tools. So open it up, screws, everything. Okay, now the belt right here, everything made out of metal. This section and this section, so yeah, it is durable. I love that. Wow, that is so nice. Square, big. My big hands can fit in there easily. It's super easy to close it. I like it. Holster, Australia, Kangaroo, beautiful, very nice. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which new gadget is your favorite. All of this is completely brand new, just came out in my understanding in the last 6 months or so. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below what do you think, and I'll see you next time.